An oil leak can cause serious problems for your vehicle and take time and money to fix. But with K&W Super Turbo Engine Oil Stop Leak, you can fix the problem yourself so you can start driving again. It's guaranteed. An oil leak may look like an oily, black-brown puddle under the engine. Sometimes you'll see oil, sometimes just a stain. K&W Engine Oil Stop Leak stops oil leaks and creates a leak-free system in 500 miles or less by restoring and reconditioning worn-out seals and gaskets. Before you start, get your tools together and read the entire product label. Locate your oil dipstick and check the oil level to be sure there's enough room to add the product. With the engine off, open your filler cap and pour in the entire bottle of engine oil stop leak. Recheck the level of your oil and add more motor oil if necessary. That's it, you're good to go. You can start driving immediately. Stop oil leaks and start driving with K&W Super Turbo Engine Oil Stop Leak.